Ever pondered the secret behind your favorite YouTubers' luxurious lifestyles? Well, today we're spilling the beans. Welcome or welcome back. If you're new here, do hit that subscribe button for more insider tips. To profit from YouTube, you need to master the platform, understand your audience, and employ effective monetization strategies. Let's break it down. First, there's YouTube AdSense. Once you meet the requirements, ads will start appearing in your videos and you'll earn a share of the proceeds. Next, for those with a robust following, consider channel memberships. Offering exclusive perks can generate a steady monthly income. Then we have the merchandise shelf. If you've got a catchy phrase or a unique logo, why not turn it into merch and sell directly through YouTube? Affiliate marketing is another avenue. By partnering with brands and promoting their products, you can earn a commission for each sale made through your link. Brands are always on the lookout for influencers. Collaborating with them for sponsored videos can be a lucrative opportunity. And if you're into live streaming, your viewers can show their support with super chat and super stickers, providing real-time monetary appreciation. Bear in mind, consistency is the name of the game. Building a loyal following requires patience and dedication. But with passion, creativity, and these monetization methods, your YouTube aspirations can indeed become a reality. So, are you ready to embark on your journey to YouTube success? If you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up, pass it along to your aspiring YouTuber friends, and remember to subscribe for more insights. Until next time, keep creating, keep monetizing, and let the YouTube adventure begin.